Okay, the case shows an experiment carried out by a student in the lab. Okay, they use HCl, okay, added with calcium carbonate. So what is the volume of carbon dioxide gas produced? So actually here they should put excess hydrochloric acid. But even if they didn't put excess, you can still get the answer. Okay. If you see excess means you don't use the number of mole of this. You don't care. Okay. So but let's say if you don't have excess, you don't know which one is excess, which one is extra. So you calculate both HCl and ClTO3 to see which one has excess number of mole. Then you don't use the one. Okay. So let's say you got two information, 6 gram and 50 cm cube and 1.0 mole per dm cube. Okay. So we calculate for both. Okay. Because the aim is calculate the volume of carbon dioxide gas. So V equals question mark. Okay. So we settle this first. For calcium carbonate, number of mole of calcium carbonate equals to, okay, you know what? This is mass over molar mass. Mass is 6 gram. Molar mass is 1 calcium is 40. 1 carbon is 12. 3 oxygen is 3 times 16. Which you might get 40 plus 12, 52 plus 48, 100. So you get 0.06 mole. Okay. Then the ratio from calcium carbonate towards carbon dioxide is, okay, 1 mole to 1 mole. So 1 mole of calcium carbonate to 1 mole of CO2. That's why if you got 0.06, you also get 0.06. And then in this case, the other one is number of mole of HCl. This one is MV or 1000 because you got volume and molarity. So it's 1.0 multiply 50 of 1000. So the answer you get is, let me calculate, 1 times 50 divided 1000. So you will get 0.05 mole. Okay, but I think here is not excess. Based on the calculation, I don't think this is excess. I think the question got it wrong. Okay, so you help me to cancel the product behind. Yeah. So because when you do ratio, okay, FC is 2 mole. FC is 2 mole. So 2 mole of HCl to 1 mole of CO2. It means if you got 0.05 divided by 2, you get 0.025. So this one is 0.060. This one is 0.025. So it means which one is larger, has a larger means which one is excess. Okay, so value of mole for this part is excess. So it means extra. Here the HCl actually is limiting factor. So I think sometimes the question got slightly wrong. Okay. So unless they tell you which one is excess, sometimes then you no need to purposely calculate for objective. But if you didn't have anything, you have to see which one is excess, which one is limiting factor. Then you have to take the limiting factor as the answer. Okay. So you take this, which is correct, to get the volume of CO2. So number of mole of CO2 equals to volume over molar volume. So mole is 0.025. Volume don't know. Molar volume is 24. So the volume of CO2 is 24 multiplied by 0.025 is 0.6 tm cube. So the answer is A is case.